This week in Assembly, we were thinking about how we can get to the finish line well. We took an orange and we wrote on it all the things that might stop us from getting to the finish line, the things that get us trapped. And when we put that orange in the water to see if it would float down to the finish line, it simply bobbed on the top of the water. But in the Bible, it tells us to take off those things that hinder us, those things that stop us from getting to our destination, from getting to the finish well. And so we peeled our orange and we took off all of those things that might trip us up along the way. And once we'd removed all of those, we put our orange back in the water and it went straight to the finish line. The Bible tells us to run the race before us and never give up, and to remove anything that gets in the way.